Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Prince Airdrop. This is a PAWS younger brother. It just started the way PAWS started, and then people were calling it scam project. But right now, PAWS is going to do well. Position yourself right now on this print so that you can start early. This project is just new. In as much as Telegram project has not been favoring us, we still need to hustle, on our hustle. So position yourself right now. I will drop the link in the description of this video. Use that link and join. If you can have multiple accounts, my dear, do it. I saw someone that has 39 PAWS accounts. Can you imagine what the person will get when PAWS is being listed? 39 airdrop account for one person. So if you can have multiple accounts, that is the way forward, so that however they come, we'll be able to get enough USDT. As the name implies, prince, we are going to print USDT. Join now that the project is early. If you click on this leaderboard, let me show you why I say that you should join now. This project is as early as the first person is just having 424,000 prints. That is to show you that this project is new. You can also get to this 400,000 points if you are active. So take it very serious. Click over to home, connect your wallet. You are going to choose any wallet of your choice. Connect your wallet and do your task. Click on connect wallet, done. It's going to redirect us back to the boat. So right now, my account is connected. My account is connected right here. Let me check because I don't understand this wallet. So my account is connected. Now if you click on the end session, tap on the end session, you have the in-game. Check, I have already subscribed to their channel. Claim the points. Follow their S account, subscribe to their different channel, check on Tom Wallet connection. I've gotten the point, claim, like and repost their pinned comment, boost their channel, follow them on TikTok, subscribe to their channel. If you see, look at these things, it's something that is not difficult for you to do. You can as well, we have the in-game, just like PAWS, we have the in-game, the partner, and the limited. So that's why I say that this is PAWS junior brother. Don't joke with it. Have multiple accounts if you can. Click on the partners. Nothing is here right now. They will be giving us gradual tasks like PAWS. Then limited, nothing is here right now. The only thing we have on the end session is the in-game. So do your games. Do your in-game activity. Then click on this reward session. This is where you will get the reward session, your reward for everyday claim. Everything that is going on this project will be recorded on these rewards. Very simple. Link in the description of this video. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.